Right now in Nairobi, a new residential project is quietly taking shape. But what makes Galaxy One different isn't just the design, it's a vision behind it. Let me show you. This is Galaxy One. Galaxy One is a luxurious, high-end development located on Rafter Road in Westlands. This is a more green suburb side of Westlands, just minutes away from major malls, very near Westgate, Sarit Center, and on Rafter Road you have quite a number of shopping centers. We do have an art cafe, we have Chandarana, we also have Carrefour. So this is a pretty neat location, even for investors who look at having clients who prefer the more quiet side, very near major malls, still in Westlands. This is it. So let's dive into the model. Galaxy One is made up of 266 units, consisting of 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units, 19 floors. We have basement 1, we have basement 2, we have basement 3, and then we have ground floor. So half of ground floor is parking, then the other half is the reception area, a grand reception area. Now, something unique about our unit is a floor to ceiling height of 3.15 meters. Normally in Nairobi they do around 2.7 compared to this particular building we're in. So the Galaxy One has 3.15 floor to ceiling heights. And you can also see from this model a lot of this is glasswork. So we have in our units one whole wall being glasswork. Now let's dive in. This is the entrance for the parking, basement 1, basement 2, basement 3. And then we have the entrance for the residents accessing the units, their building using biometrics or card. Then that becomes the ground floor. We have a mezzanine floor 6 meters high. And so our first floor, the first residential unit, essentially becomes 5th floor in a normal unit. Now our mezzanine floor has quite a number of amenities, but we will get to that. So now let's get right to it. So we have our 3 bedroom units there with the balcony on this other side. We'll get to that. And then we have our 2 bedroom units. Our 3 bedroom units are 142 square meters. Our 2 bedroom units, 90 square meters. These are the ones facing Rafter Road with views of Kilimani Kileleshwa. Now moving on to this side, these are views of ABC Loresho. We have the balcony to the 2 bedroom at 90 square meters. Then we have adjacent to the balcony, we have our 1 bedroom units, 2 of them 57 square meters. Now note, this is gross, not net. For net, you just multiply it times 0.88. So this is the one bedroom, 57 square meters. Then we have another one bedroom, 57 square meters. Then we have the balcony to this other two bedroom, which is 82 square meters. Then we have another one bedroom, 57 square meters, whose balcony is slightly hidden. Then we have our bigger one bedroom, 59 square meters, and this becomes the balcony to this 3-bedroom unit. Now note, what is on this side is also what is on the other side. The units facing this side, these are views of Loresho APC. And then for the 3-bedroom and 2-bedroom, these actually have views of Waiyaki Way. So this is our 3-bedroom, 142 square meters. And then we have 2-bedroom, 90 square meters. So on this other side, we have our 1-bedroom units. What is on this side is actually what is on the other side as well. This is our 1-bedroom, 57 square meters. Then we have our 2-bedroom, 82 square meters. Next to it, we have our 1-bedroom with the balcony slightly hidden, 57 square meters. We have our bigger 1-bedroom with a carved balcony, 59 square meters. And this is a balcony for this 3-bedroom. So the views for the units on this side, these are actually facing GTC and town. That is it for our units. Now let's go to the amenities, another seller for Galaxy One. We have a rooftop infinity pool that is heated with a yoga deck right next to it, and of course you can see the green garden, the courtyard right adjacent to it. Now on the rooftop we have a fully equipped gym, amazing views of Westlands, and on the same floor we also have a 1093 square meter Sky Club. This is where the restaurant will also be. Now outside we also have a green garden, a courtyard. On the mezzanine floor, on the inside, we have a golf simulator. We have a kids play area. On this end, we will have our management office. Then we have a conference room right next to the golf simulator. Now on this side, on the mezzanine floor, we will have a movie theater. Then right after it, we will have a spa and sauna. And then we will also have a library area. So that is it for our amenities. We will have a laundromat on the ground floor. Now let's move on to the model for the 1-bedroom unit, both the 57 and 59 square meters. This becomes the entrance coming straight to the open kitchen, which comes fitted, the cabinetry, the cooker, the hood, and you have quite a large space. You can fit in a dining table. You have a lounge, quite big, with the door leading to the balcony. Then this becomes the bedroom. The bedroom comes fitted as well with sliding doors leading to the balcony. So all our units have this provision for the washing machine. Our investor decided to put that for you guys. Now moving on to our 2-bedroom, 82 square meters with the panoramic views, 3.15 floor to ceiling height. So this becomes the entrance coming straight to the open kitchen. You have the provision for the fridge. It comes with the cabinetry. It comes with the cooker. It comes with the hood. You have enough space for a dining table, and you have a very big lounge area. Then this is the first bedroom. So the bedroom has a Jack and Jill door. So the common cloakroom is the bathroom for this particular bedroom. Then this bedroom has the sliding doors leading to the balcony. Again, we have the provision for the washing machine, so the units come with the cabinetry. Then you have the lounge area with quite an amount of natural lighting. Then you have the master bedroom with amazing views, amazing natural lighting. So that becomes your master, as I was saying, with amazing views. You have so much lighting across the master. You also have lighting in the kitchen area as well. So that becomes the 2-bedroom 82 square meters. Now let's move on to the 2-bedroom 90 square meters. So this is the bigger 2-bedroom. So this being your entrance, you come straight, you have the open kitchen, comes with the cabinetry, the cooker, the hood, the provision for the fridge. Then you have this big lounge area with so much natural lighting. Then you have this, which becomes your master bedroom, and that is the bathroom there. We have this other bedroom that uses that bathroom, which is a common cloakroom, and I love what they've done there. So you have the sink area, the vanity before you get into the main bathroom. So this bedroom has the sliding doors leading to the balcony, and so much lighting, 270 degrees panoramic views. And then we go to the 3-bedroom 142 square meters. So you have the entrance there coming straight into the open plan kitchen, comes with the cabinetry, the island there. We have the cooker, the hood. You have space for the dining table, a very big lounge area with so much natural lighting. It has the door leading to the balcony. Then this bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3. Now, for this particular bedroom, the layout has been changed, so the bathroom is going to be on that side, so that we bring that door to this particular side, so anyone occupying this bedroom can just cross the hallway and use the bathroom. And also we would like to have that space to have that a wall just to have some artwork. Then you have this other bedroom, which now becomes the master with the carved window, so much lighting, 270 degrees panoramic views. And look at that, you have amazing views in the kitchen area, in the lounge area, and also in the other bedroom. So we actually have people deciding to have that particular bedroom that is not en suite as an office space. So welcome to our Galaxy One project update series, where we will be tracking the progress of one of Westland's most exciting luxury residential developments. I'm excited to share that construction has now successfully completed basement 1, 2, and 3, and the project has officially moved to the ground floor. This is a major milestone in any off-plan development. It marks the transition from foundation works to the vertical structure, where the building truly begins to come to life. And as is common with off-plan projects, reaching this stage often comes with price adjustments as investor confidence increases and construction risk reduces. As of now, pricing for Galaxy One stands at around 7.6 million shillings for a 1-bedroom, around 12 million shillings for a 2-bedroom unit, and around 19 million shillings for a 3-bedroom unit. With its prime Westlands location, modern design, and premium amenities, Galaxy One continues to attract both homeowners and investors looking for strong long-term value. I'll be documenting this journey every week, bringing you real-time updates as the project rises. So if you're interested in owning a unit at Galaxy One or would like more details on the available options, feel free to reach out. My contact details are in the description. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next project update.